Hello guys, so if you've always wanted a romantic evening with your partner, this AI is the best for you. Now, why do I say this? DeepFakeMaker.io allows you to create AI silhouette backgrounds for your images, and even if you've not taken one, you can actually transform an image to this within a click of a button. So all you have to do is to actually upload your image here or your photo. Now explain what you want it to do for you in this idea box, and then choose your resolution and then click on generate. Now this is an example of the image that was created using this particular AI. So this was the former one and this is the new one. Just beautiful. So it depends on what you want to achieve, and once you're done, you can just click on download and your image will be downloaded directly to your system. And there you have it, guys. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. If there is any other AI you want me to make a video about, let me know and I would do just that. So have a great day, guys, and please subscribe to the channel as we are actively trying to grow. Also, do not forget to drink water today, as it really helps you.